Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode. What episode are we at today? 328, I think. Yeah, 328 technical analysis edition and chill. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you're having a great time. Thank you for being here for this awesome stream. Again, sorry guys, the camera's a little bit higher than usual. There we go. Yeah, there we go, man. For some reason, my camera was pointing a little bit higher, and I just noticed on the screen here that, like, I was like, yeah, man, barely see my face. Anyways, thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining us tonight. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like button, that sub, right? That way you're going to be notified when we go live. Also, you can follow us on Twitch. Yeah, you can follow us on Twitch. Or on DLive and Periscope. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the amazing articles that over here on this awesome stream. With that said, thank you all for being here and joining us tonight, this awesome Sunday night. What do we have to look forward in crypto, right? That's what we're going to look at today. With that said, I'm going to move over and look at the technicals and get these technicals here going, right? Let's see. There we go, man. Awesome. Is there anyone in the chat? I don't believe it. No, there's no one in the chat right now. Yeah, right on, dude. I'm trying to figure out something out real quick, guys. Yeah, quick second. For some reason, my chat here on the side usually loads some pre-data. It's not loading up, so I just want to make sure the chat is working. Someone's watching. Please let me know the show is going on, right? I want to know whether or not you guys can see me and if everything's working all right. Anyways, with that said, here we go. Let's see. That's over there. Yeah, apparently we're good. Awesome. So what is happening with crypto, man? There's movements going down, movements going up. We do have certain things that we're looking at. We had some hidden bullish divergence in market cap. We did that. We tried to rally, right? We did. Yesterday we tried to move down a little bit. We didn't move down that much, right? We wicked down, managed to push back up, and right now we're opening sideways and trying to go up a little bit more on market cap. Yesterday we had a movement of $1.09 billion, so it's not a lot of movement to the downside, right? Today we only have almost 1 million to the upside, right? 922 million going into the cryptosphere. Sitting neutral on the RSI at 56.32. And again, we don't have anything else developing here. I am going to bring out the Bollinger Bands real quick just to see where we're at. We're facing the 20 as resistance, right? We faced it as resistance. We opened there. We moved down. And right now we're trying to basically get above that 20 again. But we're failing. With that said, let's look at the weekly market cap, because on the weekly we don't have a bearish engulfing candle for the last week, right? Look at that. This week we managed to go, we opened at 346.92 billion and we closed at 364 billion, right? This past week that we just closed on markets, we closed at 350. So we opened at 346, we closed at 350. We're slightly higher, so we're not quite bearish engulfing, which is good, right? That gives us a fighting chance to see that money could still be coming into crypto, and this could just have been consolidation happening. With that said, overbought on the weekly at 69. Sorry, not overbought, bought at 69.60. Let's go back to the daily and let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin getting a little bit of dominance yesterday, but rejected the 20 today. It's losing a little bit of dominance. Also looks like it's rejecting the 20. That's good. Sitting at 61.29% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin $11,672. Depending on what exchange we look at. If we look at this exchange, it's $11,670.73. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands starting to come in on the daily. I'm actually going to hide the Bollinger Bands real quick because they were distorting the data, right? So look, we moved down. We managed to hold support at the 25% line of the equidistant channel, which we called for yesterday. And we managed to rally from there, right? So again, we're good. The hidden divergence is kind of playing off. That's the only thing we have on the daily, right? The hidden bullish that we called out. Now, on Bitcoin, if we go on the weekly, I do believe we get a different story, right? Here on the weekly, we managed to open at 11,692, and we closed this last week at 11,656. So 692 to 656. We're a couple dollars below the previous week. So we are basically bearish engulfing, right? If we go and look at another chart, one that's a little bit cleaner, you're going to see that as well. Here we open 11,684. Here we close at 11,644. Some $40 below that area. So again, there's this just brings some potential for Bitcoin to start pushing for price action to the downside, right? That's the only thing that's worrying me right now. Again, we're in a bull trend. We do have that hidden bullish. But I really wasn't. I was really hoping that we're gonna be able to push this a little bit more, dude. I was like really looking towards the candle closing and see if we're gonna be able to like get it up a little bit higher, right? Just so we don't have that hidden bullish. Sorry, not hidden bullish. That bearish engulfing candle, and we didn't develop that, right? So we ended up developing that bearish engulfing, so we didn't negate it. Sorry, that's what I wanted to say. Anyways, so let's go on to the daily and figure out what's happening there. Yeah. Just need to see the chat is working. There we go. It is not working 100%. Apparently, it's not going out to Twitter, man, and YouTube. So that's where I'm not getting YouTube chat, and I'm not getting Periscope chat. So if you guys are on Periscope and I cannot hear you, please jump onto the other platforms and let me know, because apparently messages are not going out to YouTube. So with that said, yeah, let's go and look at Bitcoin, right? What's happening on the daily? What already discussed, right? The hidden bullish, right? They're holding on to that 50%. We're getting tightness of the Bollinger Bands, right? Look at that. We're starting to get that squeeze coming in on the daily, right? And we haven't been that squeezed in a while, probably since back here. So June. Now the squeeze just means volatility is leaving the market, and we could get a wild move happening. And you know, with that, again, waiting for this to really take off. Dude, right now, again, hoping that this hidden bullish carries up and maybe retest 11,928. That's what I would be wanting to see short term, right? What are the targets to the upside and the downside? So if you guys have seen the show before, you know what I'm talking about. So if we're moved to the downside, we have the 25% line of the equidistant rising channel to look forward to. And below that, we have the 11,453, right, to look for support. Right now, we need to get above the 20 simple moving average. Right, get above that area, which is at 11,765, and if we get above that, then we have a shot at 11,128, and then a potential shot at 12,000 or 12,354, right? So that's what I would be expecting to see on Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, we don't have anything. I was really wanting to see this come down a little bit more yesterday, right? And we didn't. We were here last night. I said, look, man, it would be good if we come lower, create that strong bullish, and then rally from there. We didn't go there. So, you know, went up, rejected the 20. That's fine. Moved down. Managed to hold on to 25. That gives me some comfort, right? That we are holding on to that support and we're trying to rally. But right now we're flirting with that 20 simple moving average. And as you can tell, we've managed to break above it, then break below it. And right now we're trying to get above it again. We did manage to move down, but, you know, trying to pull back up again right now. Maybe we have created some divergence on the 1 hour. But look at that, once we get there, we don't have anything else developing. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the RSI, lower on the RSI, neutral at 49.49. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Awesome, dude. Oh, do we have something here? I believe we might. What is this close, this opening here? 11,686, 11,673. So yeah, slight 86, 73. Sorry, closing 93, right? That's what I'm looking for, the closing. So, all right, cool. So from here to here, we're going slightly higher. We're definitely coming in lower, creating some bearish divergence. Some potential for action to the downside. We're moving down, hitting that 20 and getting a bounce. That's good. It's actually good that we're holding on to a 20 as support. Now we'll try to go for a new rally. If we failed this rally, we could be looking for a movement down. Right, high, lower high, positive, less positive. This rally needs to come with strength. To get us to go higher, right? Otherwise, we're going to create bearish divergence strong. And we also probably have it against the RSI. You know, we could really talk about it moving down again. With that said, sitting neutral at 58.96 on the RSI. So look at Ethereum, dude. Ethereum is seen at 12.56% of market cap. The price of Ethereum at $393.98. What do we have here on the daily? Let's look at this, man. Again, hidden bullish, trying to rally, failing, you know, trying to get above the 20, but really haven't even touched it right now. So that will be the first target that we have, the 20, right, at $405.10. Let's see if we can get to that area, right? Neutral on their side, 54.10. Really not a lot happening on Ethereum. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, it's just been a slow day, right? Like we said yesterday, it could be a slow day. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? Trying to get that rally on the strong bullish, failing to reach the 20, moving down. Here we did go lower, right? Like we were expecting to do on Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin didn't have this move. And that is good because we created strong bullish divergence again. And that was a move that we was waiting for, right? There we go. Look, even against the RSI. Just like we said yesterday, right? That's what we wanted to see on Bitcoin also. Making sure the chat's going on good, dude. A couple people watching. Thank you all for being here and liking this awesome stream. Anyways, you know, sitting neutral at 45.04 on the RSI, you know, that's about it here. Not a lot going on except that strong bullish that we created. And we're trying to rally, but we haven't even touched the 20. Let's see if we touch the 20, manage to break above that. If we break above the 20 and hold it as support, we could be looking for a retest of the 161.8%. Right, that will be here at $415.15, and if we get above that, then we have 418 to look for as resistance. So with that said, let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have in the 1 hour, man? Low, higher, low, right? Nothing bullish, nothing bearish either, right? High, lower high, right? Positive, less positive, high on the RSI. Ooh, let's see this. 56.75, 56.77. Very, very slight hidden bearish. Right? Very slight though. So hidden bearish is actually going slightly higher. There we go. What's up with the tracks today? They're all slow, dude. Let's see if this one's good. Anyways, we moved down on that divergence, hit the 20, and trying to hold on to it. Trying to use it as support. We're tight on the Bollinger Bands again. We could get a wild move happening. Neutral at 55.97. That's good. Let's go to XRP. What is happening with the XRP? XRP within the channel, right? At 29.894 to at 27.911, sitting at 28.60 cents right now. Right, and yeah, let's see what's going on, dude. We had hidden bullish trying to rally, right? We haven't even gotten to 20. We did manage yesterday to move down and hold support at 27.911, which is good. With that, there's really not a lot going on here. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands, that's about it, though. 4 hours also very tight in the Bollinger Bands, so we could get an explosive move happening soonish. Again, strong bullish, try to rally, rejected the 20. I was expecting the movement to come down. Remember, we talked about that yesterday. We were here. So maybe come slightly lower. Where do we go, man? Where do we actually go? I do really want to see this, dude. Do we get to this level at least? What was this closing? 27.856. Closing 27.855, right? Dude, it's just very, very tiny, dude. It's very, very slightly less, right? And we are going from negative momentum. I was really expecting to make a negative momentum here, but, you know, we're going from negative momentum to positive momentum and a low point on the RSI to a higher point, just like we expected to do this, right? We talked about this yesterday, right? We said this probably was going to happen. This is what I'm expecting the market to do. We're rejecting, probably go slightly lower, create that strong bullish, and then go for a rally and try to break the 20. We're breaking the 20. We come down, find support there. Right now we open. We're still holding on support at the 20, right? We wick down. That's fine, but we're still supporting there. We're probably going to try to go for a bounce, hopefully, on the tightness of the Bollinger Bands that we're getting as well. Right, that would imply that there's volatility leaving the market, and usually we get wild moves happening. Neutral at 48.77 on the RSI. Just let me anchor this to the 4 hours because I believe I've forgotten to, and yes, I've forgotten to anchor there. Whoa, isn't that great, man? Again, let me just check out the chat, make sure there's really nothing going on here because apparently I'm not loading all the chat today. Yay! With that said, let's go and look at the 1 hour chart. What's going on there, man? High, higher, high, right? So, you know, there, right? That's about it, though. Right, there we go. Some strong bearish divergence, price action to the downside, moving down, hitting that 20, and managing to find support and taking a bounce. Again, I think Ethereum had this thing as well, right? See, Ethereum just had a hidden divergence, though, right? XRP has strong bearish divergence, just like Bitcoin, and moving down, holding on to 20, which is good, finding support and trying to take a bounce. Again, a little bit tightness off the Bollinger Band, so that's good, you know. Not too tight, though, but tighter nonetheless, right? Again, volatility leaving the market. Sitting neutral at 57.61 on the RSI. We don't have anything here on the short time scale, right? On the bullish side. The last thing we had, we already called that strong bullish, right? That could keep on playing us to the upside. With that said, let's go over and look at the Litecoin. At $61.45. What's it doing, dude? It's managing to go slightly higher. Whoa, that's the 1 hour, though. The daily, there we go. Right, it is recovering, which is good. Hitting the 20, taking a bounce, that's great. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side. Really, we're not developing anything here, right? So neutral at 56.88, sitting at $61.45. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we were looking for this divergence here. We had it. We did take that small bounce, but we did manage to go slightly lower, just like the rest of the market. So we would have anchored to there, and then here we would have lost it. So that's fine, right? So there we go. Strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Price action to the upside. Rallying, getting above the 20. Moving down just like a lot of the other coins did, right? Move down, hit the 20, and right now we're using a support and taking a bounce. That's great. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands starting to come back in as well, and neutral at 53.36 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Dude, the tracks are so hot today, man. Anyways, what's happening here, right? Low, high, positive, more positive. Right now, even going slightly higher on the 1 hour. Alright, so the only thing I can do right now for this one is going from here to here, at least short term. Right, and from high positive momentum to lower positive momentum and a high point on their side to a lower point, creating strong bearish divergence and potential for action to the downside. Again, remember, this could go on developing, right? We're getting a bullish trend, we could say. We also have this strong bullish divergence that we just hit right here, I believe. So from here to here, right? And from easy to easy, and here to here as well, right? Look at that, man. Beautiful, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We got that rally, move down again, and you know, trying to go for that new leg, but we're starting to create that bearish divergence that could potentially move us down at least to the 20 and take a retest off that 20. Sorry guys, I dropped something here. There we go. And with that, let's go over and look at Binance. What's happening with Binance on the daily? Again, we had the hidden bullish, trying to rally. That's great. We still have this day to go to, right? There we go. Anchor to reality, right? To where we actually closed yesterday. There we go. Action to the upside. That's fine. Again, trying to undo the losses from yesterday. I do believe we're doing a good case of that. So yesterday we lost 36.5. We're getting 39.8. So we're getting a little bit more still than yesterday. Neutral at 53.49 on their side. Really not a lot happening here. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. That's about it, though, right? So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, what's going on? We're looking for divergence here. We did get the rally. We did manage to move lower again as expected. But look, even if we do it in 2 times, right? Or just 1 time from one island to the next, we go from here to here. Right? And again, we were expecting to get this move on a couple coins, right? It's good that we got it. I like the fact that we got that. Right, there we go, there we go. And here we don't have it, so we would anchor from back here, right? Again, we just do this one continuous line. I just don't want to get a lot of lines going here in the chart. I make it too cluttered, because we will be going from the previous island to the new island, right? And you create that strong bullish, trying to get that rally coming in and getting above the 20, which is good, right? So with that, everything is good here. Neutral at 49.93. So let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour bearish divergence moving down. That's great. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side. We don't have anything bullish here. Do we have something bearish? 417, 473. Yeah. So, okay, cool. So, I don't believe we're still higher than back here, right? So, high, lower, high. And we are technically going slightly higher than the previous one, right? So, we'll go from here to here, right? Slightly higher. That's fine. Oh, it's going slightly higher still. And here we're going from a... dude, it just depends whether I want... I gotta really look at this real quick. Now we are higher. Right now we're looking at this, we're actually here where the dot is, right? So we're slightly lower. Then we started climbing. That indicated whatever I was gonna call. I was gonna call for some hidden bearish, but we no longer have it. Because we're gonna go slightly lower here, and then coming in here higher, hidden bearish potential for moving down. We don't have that because we're starting to go up slightly. So we don't have a lot to go on here. Sitting bought at 64.73 on the RSI. Let's go and look at... Dude, let's look at DVT, man. Slow day today, right? It's Sunday. I get it. Yeah, so where's this at? 80, dude. Managed to regain some. That's great. Let's look at what's happening here, dude. When was this? This was on the 21st, right? So yeah, cool. We already had seen this move before. So let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the RSI and the MACD. Oh, look at there. There we go. Indicators, dude. There we go. Let's fix this so we can make it look a little bit better. Again, I'm not sure what's wrong with the music today, dude. I usually just put it on random and it's really good. Today, it's just freaking horrible, dude. Like, whatever techno acts it's picking at random, it's just horrible. Let's play something else, dude. Let's play something a little bit more upbeat, because everything was just, like, so freaking slow. There we go. We can work with this track. Yeah, we can work with this track. It's good, man. I dig. Alright, so... Alright, so I'll just go from here to here, right? So, first line I would draw would be this one. And then from here to here, right, creating some strong bullish divergence, some potential for price action to the upside. We're getting that rally coming in. And it's looking good right now. It looks solid. With that, that would be the only thing I see right now on the 1 hour. So, I'm going to go to the 4 hour chart and see what we're going to do there. Right on, dude. What are we doing here? Going lower, right? Negative to less negative, right? Strong bullish, potential for action to the upside, even here short term, right? Even from here to here. Right, high to low. Low to high. Action to the upside, we're getting that to play, dude. That's amazing. So, good stuff happening, right? It is playing to the upside, just like we said it could. Now let's go on to the daily. Again, daily we didn't have anything here, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. We didn't have anything topside either. So it still remains the same, right? It's just short term, it's bullish. So yeah, there's chances this might go up higher. And with that, I'm gonna go back and look real quick at some markets, and then I'll just call it a stream, because I'm not even sure how many people are watching today, dude. Their chat's dead, so we'll look real quick here. What's happening with gold and silver? Moving down, hit the 20, taking a bounce. That's good. Gold moving down below, right? This is trying to hold on to this old high, the previous higher had. So that's good, you know. Moving down a little bit, that's great. S&P markets aren't open. Bitcoin futures, let's see. It opened more or less where we closed, dude. Right here we closed at 11,695. We're sitting at open 11,695. So again, it just opened sideways, right? We didn't move a lot here on the futures, which is good. There's no gaps to close. We're sitting right at the 20. Looks like we might start moving soon. $5 up, I would say, from opening at 11,700. That's where it's sitting at in the futures, and that could be something that would tell us that we could be going higher, right, on this. So with that, let's look at what else is happening here, man. Do we have something else going on here? Right on. Yeah, I think that's the only thing we're gonna look at right now. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll put, like, in the chat, and we'll check them out. Right? That's usually how this flows. Trying to check something out here real quick, guys. Sorry. Make sure everything's running smooth. Yeah, it's running smooth. Awesome. There we go. Let's check this out still. So, alrighty. So, silver, gold, we'll looked at. We'll look at futures for Bitcoin. What else is going on right now? Let's see what else is moving, dude. Dow Live, right? Dow Live's open. Going up 71 points. That's good, man. It gapped up a little bit. And it could be going higher, right? Look, this is a huge disparity from reality, right? It's recovering so crazy, dude, that, the market shouldn't be recovering that well, considering that all the side effects that are going on everywhere else. Anyways, let's see what else, dude. Let's see if there's any other crypto pumping, dude. EOS is going up a little bit. What is this? XTC going up 4%. That's good, dude. Sitting at 3.67. Right, I think we called something here last time. Or have we not looked at this in a while? I don't think maybe we haven't looked at this in a while. Right, but we had some hidden divergence here, right? So low to high. And then going the opposite, right? High to low. Or negative, more negative, right? On the MACD, right? And on the RSI as well. So some hidden bullish potential for action to the upside. Again, that bounce happening again right at support, right at 786. So it looks like we want to do a U-turn and start going up here a little bit more. So let's go to the 4 hour here. Again, right, strong bullish on this move from here to here. Right, so we'll just leave that on the 4 hour, and that's great. And yeah, from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI, I believe. No, we don't have it against the RSI. Starting to go slightly higher, and I do believe we might be starting to create some strong bearish, some hidden bearish divergence, right? So high to low, and then positive to more positive momentum. On the RSI, we're doing that. No, on the RSI, I think we also have it against the RSI, right? Some hidden bearish, right? There's potential we might start stalling around this area and maybe try to go down. So let's go to the 1 hour. All right, so low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. It's all good. Let's see, high, higher, high. All right, so we had some strong bearish divergence here on short term, right on the 1 hour. And it's fine, actually. Really not worried about that. I'm worried about more short-term stuff because it's already played out. Right on. So let's see. What was this high here? Man, I can't see. There we go. 227. 208. All right. So definitely from one island to the next, right? So high to lower high, or so positive to less positive. We're definitely going much higher on that price, right? So we're creating that strong bearish divergence again. Just keep on running, right? It looks like we're starting this bullish move. We came down, hit the 20, found support, took a bounce on the 1 hour, like consolidated very briefly, and then trying to go on continuation of that run. So that could be good, dude. What the hell? That was odd. Like something just run across the roof. That was awkward, dude. Dudes. Bitcoin Jake, how's it going, dude? I'm back. Was MIA. Had my kids this weekend. Yeah, dude, that's awesome, bro. I know you get your kids, so it's pretty cool, man. Thank you for being here, dude. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit delayed on the chat. For some reason, it's not showing up on my Restream chat, right? The one that I have here. So, right, it's not pulling up the YouTube chat. So, I'm going to have to check that out tomorrow, I guess. So, tomorrow I'll run the stream, and if it runs the same, then I'll have to, like, probably remove YouTube, set it back in, and make sure, you know, it's running. Because it's not sending out chat to Periscope or YouTube, which is awkward. But I am catching the chats on basically just the YouTube app. So I'll try to have that open as well, so I can look at what's going on there on the chat. Thanks for letting me know, bro. Thanks for being here. That's XCC, dude. Let's look at Link. So there were so many requests for Link in a while back, right? We just haven't looked at Link. Ooh, Link is sitting at 15 bucks. Moving sideways, right? So not a lot happening here. Let's go on the daily real quick. All right, so we had a bullish rally. Again, moving down, hitting the 20, right? Once finding support. Moving down, hitting the 20 again. Trying to find support. Who was it? Andrew, I think, bought Link. So Andrew, I think, like I said, dude, it could move sideways a little bit. Just wait for something to happen. Oh, we have a tight stop loss. We rallied. We hit resistance, right? At the 50% line. We're starting to move down, right? So again, we're still managing to stay above the 20 and hold on to it briefly. So high, lower, high, possible. Okay, we don't have anything besides what we called on the 21st, right? So with that, let's go on to the 1 hour chart and see what's going on there, right? So high, too low, and then low, higher, and then higher, right? So negative, less negative, and less negative. So that's all good, dude. I think here we could call for some kind of bullish divergence, right? Yep. So, yeah, like I was saying, right? We could be going for bullish divergence, type 2 medium bullish divergence from here, right? Trying to get that rally, rejecting the 20 right now, sitting right at the 20. nothing happening on the bullish side yet, so on the bearish side. So let's wait for this to play out and come back and check on it later. What other project are you guys into, dude? ICX is going up 12%. Why? Why is it going up that much? Yeah, did it have strong bullish? Nope. I don't believe it had strong bullish divergence. Let's see that. Let's go here. All right, so look even here, right? Low, high, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side. About the same on the other side, right? 42.56, 42.58, right? Slightly lower. So, you know, we didn't have a lot going on here. Just getting an insane rally. So, all right, it looks like we're holding support on the 20 and the 4 hour and, you know, try to expand there. We hit the top of the Bollinger Band, started to pull back a little bit. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher on the other side, right? We don't have a lot there on Icon. And this, we had some strong bearish divergence here. And it was Jake. How things with the kid, man? You have fun? With that, let's look for something else, man. I'm really not so excited for it. I thought it was going to have something a little bit different, but 12% is no small thing, right? We don't have anything bearish yet, so yeah, let's keep this going, right? Neo 22.7 solo, dude. Solo is going up 16%, bro. Yes. Now I have to check something out real quick. You played Minecraft and went to a park? Awesome, dude. Like, what age do you recommend for Minecraft? My kid's starting to watch Minecraft like crazy, dude. He started watching like the Netflix videos from Minecraft. Now he wants Lego Minecraft. I think he's gonna get into Minecraft. He's still little, dude. He's five years old. I'm not sure if I don't even think he even knows how to use a computer properly. So I just really need to sit down and teach him how to. I just don't want to let him borrow my PC, particularly this one, because the one I use for streaming. I don't think I have any other PCs that I can use for gaming right now. So I'm a little bit on the sides there. I'm not sure whether or not I want him to play in Minecraft at his age. I want to check something out real quick because I'm holding some solo. I just want to see how that's playing out, dude. Because I haven't. I told you guys I got like 10 free bucks at Coinfield a while back, and I put them into solo, and it's doing beautiful, dude. I just haven't touched it, right? $27, dude. Right, my $10 have turned into $27 magically on the overlap past like 3 months. I think it was when I bought. So interesting, right? It's good. No complaints there, dude. It's good, dude. I'm happy with this, man. I bought I was trying to see if I could get the transaction here for when I actually bought solo. Does it tell me the date? Yeah, I bought on May, dude. May 12th. I bought solo at 27 cents. Right, average price 27.56. I got 36 units of that coin, and right now it's sitting at like at 70 plus cents. It's so good, dude. Right, DT also great profits there, dude. No complaints, right? I think the only bag I'm holding that I really hate right now, and it's my XRP bag. It's just underperforming so bad. Well, I'm waiting for that next pump to come in so I can cash out. I should have cashed out. I haven't. I just don't want to see that as taking a hit, dude. It's just a personal matter now with this freaking asset, dude. Anyways, with that said, Bitcoin's starting to go up slightly, right? 0.28%. It's not a lot. So waiting for this to develop more. Again, a lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands on the daily, right? Just waiting for that to really turn in. Now here it looks a little bit cluttered, but if I remove the Bollinger, it looks a little bit better now. Right, finding support at that mid part of the equidistant channel, not the mid part of 25%, but you know, good stuff. With that, like we said, right, that we had the hidden bullish. Here we had the strong bullish rally. I was looking for this movement to come farther down. I called that one out yesterday. Ethereum and the rest did get it right. Ethereum, XRP, they all got the movement coming in lower, creating that strong bullish for the balance. Just Bitcoin didn't get it. Like Bitcoin didn't get the memo that it had to come down here to create a strong bullish and rally. The only thing I like about this, like I was saying earlier, is that we managed to hold on to that support at the at the 25% line of the equidistant channel, right? That's the only thing I like. Anyways, neutral 49.02. Another 1 hour. I don't think we had anything bullish. We just had strong bearish. Moving down, looks like we want to take a rally from here, and that's fine. We could try to go on higher. Like I said, we really need to get really high so we can make more positive momentum and get rid of that bearish divergence, at least on the immediate island. We'll probably still have it against this island. We just need to get at least to this height over here, or even this height over here. 2143 here on the MACD. For us not to develop that divergence, right? I don't want to have bearish divergence and then really look for another movement down. I really want to see Bitcoin do better, man. But at least we're still within the channel, right? The 11,128 to 11,453. Jake, bro, I know you once, you and I once, we were discussing this move on Ethereum, and you had made a call for Ethereum to go to like 340 maybe. I can't remember how low you called it that, but we haven't gotten there, dude. I'm happy. I think I said I don't think we're gonna drop below 364. We did though. We did hit 360 here, and then we just have really not dropped. And right now, I'm hoping we don't. Hidden bullish, trying to get that rally coming in on Ethereum again. Strong bullish here on the short term, trying to go for that rally here as well. Just right now, it looks like we moved down a little bit, but trying to pump again. And on the 1 hour, we have strong bearish divergence against the RSI. So, but again, just like Bitcoin, starting to do this U-turn here and try to see if we go higher. Now, with that said, like I was saying earlier, also market cap on the weekly, we didn't develop a bearish engulfing candle here, right? We opened here at 346, and here we closed at 350, so we're a little bit higher, right, on the market cap, which is good, right? We don't have that bearish engulfing candle. That could mean that a lot of money's going to flow out of the cryptosphere. Now, going on to Bitcoin, though, and looking at this, we do have on Bitcoin strong bearish divergence, right? Sorry, not strong bearish divergence. A bearish engulfing candle. Right, and that would be by looking at this. We opened here at 11,688, and here we closed at 11,650, right? So let's look at this chart over here. Right here, we opened at 11,684. Here we closed at 11,644. So $40 difference to the downside, right? So bearish engulfing a little bit today. It looks like today we're really trying to go up a little bit. Or at least we're $27 up. And we're trying to close that, bearish engulfing that we just had. So I'm hoping. I was just watching the market yesterday, right before it closed, and I was trying to see this start to pump back up a little bit, right? Then we're catching that wave here on the 1 hour, so maybe here, right before it closed. It closed here, dude. I was trying to see this movement up a little bit here, and then Then we opened here today, and then we started moving down. So. I think here I was getting to move up. And I was really hoping that we're going to close up here and not have a bearish engulfing day. But we did, alas. And, a bearish engulfing week. I'm just hoping it's not going to translate to price action to the downside. Tracks are super slow today for some reason, dude. It's just been playing the worst random selection of music today. Anyways, thank you all for being here and joining us. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that that bell and that sub. Right. Do you guys want to look at something particular? Let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I think we're going to call it a stream, dude. There's really not a lot going on. We already covered DVT, so. A strong bullish here. Low, lower, positive, less positive, right? Sorry, negative, less negative. Price action to the upside, getting that rally, moving down a little bit. It was sitting at 80 sat, 0.8 sats, 8 sats a couple minutes ago. Right now, moving down a little bit. And here on the 4 hour, we also had that bullish divergence. Strong bullish divergence, going from high to lower, right? So low, lower, low. And then positive to less positive, negative to less negative, and low on the other side to a higher point on the other side, right? So. With that, we're hoping to get this rally coming in, which is good. So we can get this coin pumping again. It's due for some movement to the upside, I believe, right? So we're just downtrending since August 16th, right? It's just been a downtrend. Short term is down, but you know, main trend, dude, main trend I would say it's going up, and I'm more concerned about us creating a triangle here, right? A symmetrical triangle that could break either way, like that. All right. So again, that's it for DVT though. Oh, man, what else? What else are we gonna look at, man? Will alts pump. Will crypto pump in general. I do hope that the bullish divergence that we have developed, right? The hidden bullish divergence on the daily is still going to carry us up a little bit more. Right. So at least we know we have it on Bitcoin, right? And a lot of the other coins like Ethereum, right? We have it there. XRP, you know, we have it there as well. I'm bringing this place to the upside. I think with that said, dude, guys, I'm gonna call it a stream for tonight. Sure, it's 10:50 p.m. It's Sunday. It's been a very slow stream, so I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you all for being here, guys. Thank you for joining me tonight for this awesome stream at the State of Crypto, your home for all crypto news and technicals. Yeah, it's a pleasure hosting you guys tonight. This awesome Sunday night. I hope you guys come again tomorrow and show up for this awesome stream. And you know, I'll be here, so I'll catch you tomorrow then. Until then.